Play fast and loose. Play fast and loose means to behave carelessly, irresponsibly, or dishonestly, especially by not following rules, facts, or commitments. Let's look at some example sentences. Some businesses play fast and loose with customer information. If you keep playing fast and loose with your promises, your team is going to stop trusting you. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. The company was fined after the audit revealed they had been recklessly ignoring safety regulations for years. The company was fined after the audit revealed they had been playing fast and loose with safety regulations for years. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.